Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Coinbase. So let's just learn. First of all, we are going to be heading over to our Coinbase wallet, and here as you can see guys that we have our Coinbase, and we are going to be clicking on add crypto. So click on receive crypto. You can see we have multiple addresses in here. So what we are going to be doing here is copy, let's just say, USDT address. So we have other assets here and many others, so we cannot see any USDT option here, right? So that's an issue. But what you can do is simply convert your assets on Binance to something else like Solana and copy the address, and then you are going to be heading over to your Binance account and simply send your Solana. So for that you need to head over to your portfolio, click on takeout and click on withdraw. Here you have Solana and share that. Make sure you convert on USDT to Solana first. If you do not know how to convert, you are going to be heading over to your portfolio, head over to USDT, click on this convert option and select Solana here from USDT to Solana, and then you need to click on to your takeout option, click on withdraw and then Solana, and enter in here the address that we copied on Coinbase. Here we got that. Select your address, Solana, click on max, and then if you have enough funds, you are going to be sending that. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Coinbase.